So firstly, we need to install UTM. UTM is the tool where we create virtual machines in. To download it, go to mac.getutm.app and download UTM. The download is finished, install UTM. Now we are ready. Open UTM, create a new virtual machine, virtualize it, and select macOS. Now it asks for an IPSW file. IPSW is a file format used to install iOS, iPadOS, tvOS, HomePod, watchOS, and most recently macOS firmware for devices equipped with Apple Silicon. To get one of these, go to ipsw.me, select Mac and find your Mac. Since I use an M1 MacBook Air, I select this one right here. Now you can choose which version of macOS you like to use in the VM. If you don't care, always select the newest option. If you need a specific version, select the version you need, but make sure it's macOS 12 or newer. I select 15.2 and download it. When the download is finished, go to your home folder and create a new folder. It really doesn't matter how you name it, but I call it VM. Now drag the downloaded IPSW file into this folder, come back to UTM and click Browse and select the IPSW file. Now you have to select how much RAM the VM should have. My MacBook has 16 GB, so for the VM I select 8. Click Continue and select how much storage you like to have in the VM. Click Continue and Save. Then scroll all the way down, click New Shared Directory and select the folder you just created. And now the VM is ready to go. Click the play icon and macOS will boot. And that's it. Now you installed macOS inside of macOS fully free of charge using UTM and ipsw.me. But UTM can do even more. For example, you can install Windows 11 in it, also completely free. So if you like to do that now, watch this video next.